Sum root to leaf numbers, that is we are given the root of a binary tree containing the digits from 0 to 9 only. Each root to leaf path in the tree represents a number. For example, the root to leaf path 1 to 3 represent the number 1 to 3. Return the total sum of all the root to leaf numbers. Test case are generated. So here we have given the example of, so let us take this example. So here 4 is the root node starting from the root to the leaf. 495 is one number, 495, 491 is another number, then 40 is another number. So here adding all these numbers would result in 1026, which is the answer of our this example. So let us see the code of the question. We would be using the recursion for solving this problem, in which the first we have will take a variable answer and we will make a use a solve function to solve this variable that will be defined by us. Here is the code of the question. We have used a solve variable declared which is the tree node root answer, and the answer is passed in this arguments. And if there is no root, we have to return 0 as the answer. Then we have to initialize answer equal to answer into 10 plus root value, as we have to calculate the numbers. We make it a number 3 digit or 2 digit depending upon the height of the tree. Then more will the height, more will be the recursive call, and it would get added, and the number of digits would get increased in the number. So if there is no root and no root left and no root right, that is we have reached the child node. So we have to return the answer from that, because we cannot make further recursive calls, as there would be no left and right node to get added with the answer. So first for the left part would get stored after the recursive call, and for the each recursive call we have to return the left plus right value, which would get incremented for each of the recursive calls made, that is answer equal to answer into 10 plus root value. First, for the first iteration the root answer would be 0 and the root value would get stored. For the second iteration, the root value, suppose 1, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So for the first answer into 0, that answer 0 into 10 plus 1, that first for the first iteration would not get stored. Then for the second answer would be 1, 1 into 10, that is 10, plus 2 would get stored, that is answer is 12. Then as the root left will be passed, so there will be no left for when 2 becomes the node, then there will be no left and no right, and the answer would get returned. That then answer would be stored as 12. And for the similarly for the right recursive call, when it would be made, then it would be 12 plus initial value is 1, 1 into 10 plus 3, that is 13, and right part returns 13, left part returns 12. Then it would get added, and we will finally get the answer 25 as the answer for this 1 2 3 tree. So again we can say the first, for the first recursive call, answer would be 1, and for the left part, the left part would be stored or the returned when the left 2 is made or passed as the root node. Then there would be no left, then there would be no right. So left plus right would get returned, that is 0 plus 2. So when 2 will become the root node, so answer into 10, that is answer was previously 1 for the first recursive call, 1 into 10 plus 2. For the left part, the answer stored was 12. Then for the right recursive call will be made, and then the right part there would be stored initially root value and the answer value was 1. So with 1 would be added with 1 also. 1, wait a minute, 1 1 into 10 plus 3, that is 13. For the right part, 13 would get stored, and left and right is finally returned by the root node, that is the 1, that is 12 plus 13 is equal to 25 as the answer. So this is the code. Thank you.